Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 fraction. So, obviously, you will try to know what is fractions, how can we define fractions, fraction and the fractions. So, fraction is a number which represent a part of whole. What is fraction? Fraction is a number which represent a part of whole. Simply you can say fraction is a number part of whole, or you can say fraction is a number which represent a part of whole. So you can say here, you can see here some figures. These figures you can see in fourth part we divide and one part we said. Okay, one part we color. Here how many part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part, and 3 part we colored. And here in this shape we divide 3 part, and 1 portion is color. And here 8 part in this figure, and we color 3 part. So we need to write what fraction of each of the following figures is shaded part. Okay, we find the fraction of shaded part. So according to its definition, what is a fraction? Fraction is a number which represent a part of whole. So part of whole, we find the fraction of shaded part. So here how many parts shaded, or how many part color? 1 part is color. So total part is 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 part we have color only 1 part. So according to its definition, fraction is the part of whole. So fraction of these figures, fraction of the color part of this figure is 1 by 4, because here total part is 1. Okay, total part is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 part, and we color only 1 part. Okay, so fraction of the color part is 1 by 4, or you can say fraction of the shaded part is 1 by 4, because here we shade only 1 part of 4 part. 4 of 4 part we shade only 1 part. So okay, so fraction of the shaded part of this figure is 1 by 4. This is a, remember that each part are equal. Okay, then we can write the fraction of, okay, then shaded part. Okay, if each part are not equal, so we can't write the fraction of shaded part. Clear? Now here you can see what is the fraction of shaded part, or you can say what is the fraction of color part. So first count how many part here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 part. Total part is 8. Whole part is 8. And how many color part here? Shaded part here. So this is 1, 2, 3. 3 part is color or shaded. So fraction of color part or shaded part is 3 by 8. Okay, because the division of fraction is the part of whole. So how many part is color here? 3 part is color. So fraction is 3 by 8. Okay, and each part have equal. Okay, if any part is not equal, then you can't write the fraction. Okay, now in this part you can see how many part is shaded. Here 1 part, only 1 part is color or shaded, you can see here, and total part is 3. So 1, you can write the fraction of this shaded part is 1 by 3. Okay, now in this part what is the total part? 8 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 part is total. So you can write like this: 8. This total part, whole part is 8. And how many part is shaded? So here 1, 2, 3. 3 part is shaded. So you can write the fraction of shaded part is 3 by 8. What is 3? 3 is the number of shaded part. 1, 2, 3. What is 8? 8 is the total number of part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood how to write a fraction of given figures. Okay? We write fraction only when the given part of any figures or any shape are unequal. Okay? If any part is unequal, then we can't write its fractions. Let's see one example like this. Suppose this is triangles and we divide in two parts like this. One part, two part, and one part we shaded here. So what is the fraction of shaded part? Because you can see here both parts are not equal, so you are not able to write the fraction. Fraction only write when if each part are equal. If each part are equal, then you can write, okay, the fractions. Here you can see this part is smaller, okay, than this part, so we can't write the fraction of this shaded part. So student, I hope all of you understood how to write fractions. Now we are going to discuss exercise 7.1, question number 1. Question number 1 is that write the fraction representing the said portions. So one fraction is here given, and one fraction is like this. This is a triangle, and also write one triangle inside this triangle. Okay, and this part is colored, and this part is also colored. So how many part? How many whole part? You can see 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. So 4 part is, okay, whole part is 4. And how many colored part are shaded part? Here 1 part and 2 part are shaded. So you can write, okay, and we simplify it. We find 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So what is the fraction of shaded part? Fraction of shaded part is 1 by 2. And some question is given like that. If you given a circle like this, okay, and also divide in 8 part. Clear? Suppose this is equal part of the circles, and the question asks, color the part according to the given fraction. Here fraction is given 2 by 1 by 6. Okay, so we color the part according to the fraction. Okay, according to the fractions. Here how many part? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So suppose here fraction is given 3 by 8. Okay, how many part? 3 by 8 is given here fractions, and question is that color the part according to the given fraction. So we need to color the part according to the given fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is 3 by 8. Fraction is 3 by 8. It means that whole part is 8, and we need to color any 3 part. Okay, so we can color any 3 part. So one first part, one part we colored here, second part also we colored here, and third part. Clear? Now next question is that this is second question of exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1, question number 2. Question number 2 have color the part according to the given fractions. So one figure is given like that. Okay, this is a figure and this is a triangle. Inside it triangles is again one triangles. Okay, and the fraction is given 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is fraction given, and the question told us that color the part according to the given fraction. So this is a fractions. 1 by 4 is fractions. We color how many part? One part, because fraction is 1 by 4. Total part is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we color only one part, any one part. Okay, because each part are equal. So we can color this part, this part, this part, or this part. See, this is depend on you. So we color here this part. Okay. So fraction is the part of whole. Here fraction is given 1 by 4, and this is a figure. In this figure have 4 part, and we color only one part because the question told us that color the part according to the given fraction. Okay. This is 1 by 4. So in these figures have 4 part, and we color only one part. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Next figure is given like that. Okay, this is one part, this is 2 part. Okay, this is given, and fraction is also given 1 by 3. Fraction is 1 by 3 given. Okay, so this is denominator, this is numerators. Denominator represent whole parts, and numerator represent some part, a part. Okay, so this is the whole, this is a part. Okay, this is a figure given, and the question is that color the part according to the given fraction. The fraction is 1 by 3. So student, tell me how many part we color here? One part or 3 part? One part. Okay, so one part we color here. So any one part, because each part are equals, so we can color any one part. So we color this part. Okay. Clear? We color this part because here 3 part, 1, 2, 3. Fraction given 1 by 3. So we color one part only. Suppose fraction is given 2 by 3. What is fraction? 2 by 3, like this. So how many part we color? Then we color 2 part. This is one part, and suppose this or this anyone we can color, because these part, each part are in equal size, in equal area. Okay, so this also we color. This is a 2 by 3. Clear? Now next figure is given like that. This is a square shape. One part, 2 part, this is 3 part, also one part, this is 2 part, and this is 3 part. Okay, and suppose each part have equal. Okay, and fraction is given 4 by 9. What is fraction? 4 by 9. Okay, and the question is that color the part according to the given fractions. So how many part here? 9 part. 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 part here. And how many part we color? 4 part. Okay, this part we color. Okay, so we color any 4 part. So we color here first part 1. Okay, this is 2. This is 3. We can color any 4 part, and this is a 4. Okay, Now, so these questions is very easy. I hope all of you understood. Now we are going to discuss third part of this question. Third question of this exercise. Identify the error. Here this is a question number 3. Identify the error, if any. Okay, you can see these figures. The question divided in 2 part and 1 part color. So this is the given fraction. This fraction is 1/2. Here you can see this is 4 part. The fraction of this figure is 1/4, and here also 4 part, and 3 part is colored. Then fraction is 3/4. So you can tell me this given fraction is right or wrong. When we find fractions, if we divide the given figures in equal part, then we find its fractions. Here you can see both part, but both part are unequal, and here in fourth part and all part is unequals. Here 4 part and all part is unequal. So we can say the selected portion do not represent the given fraction. Okay, we can say the selected fractions do not represent the given fraction, because this is 1/2, but this figure is not represent 1/2 fraction, because both are unequal part. Here 1/4, this is not represent the fraction 1/4, because all part are unequals. And here also you can see 4 part and the given 3/4 fractions. So all part is unequal, so we can say this is not represent these fractions. Okay, so in this way you can write selected portion do not represent the given fraction. In this way we can write selected portion do not represent the given fractions, because all parts are unequals. Okay, you can see all parts are unequal, so given portion do not represent the given fractions. Okay, so student, we are going to discuss next question, question number 4. What is the question number 4? What fraction of a day is 8 hours? What fraction of a day is 8 hours? So let's see how to solve this question. We find here what fraction of a day is 8 hours. Okay, so you know that 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, so you can write here 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, and we find the fraction of a day in 8 hours. So we given 8 hours, so required fraction is equal to we have 8 hours and the total number of hours is 24. Okay, so this is a fraction of 8 hours. You can also simplify. This is a fraction of 8 hours of a day is equal to, we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours, so required fraction is equal to 8/24. Okay, you can also simplify it and do up to 1/3, and see also right. Okay, next question is that what is the fraction of an hours in 40 minutes? What is the fraction of an hours in 40 minutes? Okay, so question number 5. 1 hours is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and we find the fraction for 40 minutes. So fraction is equal to what is the fraction? Fraction is the whole of part, or you can say fraction is a number which is represent a part of whole. So here whole is 1 hour means 60 minutes, and the part is 40 minutes. So required fraction is equal to 40 by 60. This is a required fractions. Now next question number 6 is that Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has bought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetables and one of jam. Okay, the together 2 boys forget to bring their lunch. Okay, and Arya agreed to share his sandwich so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. Okay, and how question start from here. Main theme of the here 3 friends Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek. Okay, Abhimanyu and Vivek forget her lunch, and Arya bought 2 sandwiches. One is made by vegetables and other is jams. Okay, and Arya is agreed to share his lunch. Okay, the question arises here. First part of this question is that how can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person has an equal share? Okay, so here 3 persons. So Arya divide the sandwich how many part? 3 part, and each friends have get 1 by 3 part of the sandwich each sandwich. Okay, so here 3 friends, so Arya divide each sandwich in 3 equal parts. Okay, so first question is answer of the first question is that how can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person has an equal share? So Arya divide his sandwich in 3 equal parts. Okay, and 3 equal part like this. Suppose this is sandwich, and he divide like this. Okay, so each friend got 1 part. Okay, now second question is that because 2 sandwiches, so both sandwiches he divide in 3 equal part like this. And second part, what part of sandwich will each boy receive? So because he divide 3 part, so each boy received 1 part. So what is the fraction of received by each boy of sandwich? So sandwich fraction of sandwich 1 by 3. 1 by 3 part received at each friends. Okay, so sandwich divided by Arya in 3 part, and what part of sandwich will each boy receive? So 1 by 3 part of sandwich each boy received. Clear? This is sandwich 3 friend, you divided 3 part, 1 to 3 part, and what part of sandwich received by each boy? 1 by 3 part. Okay, because everybody will take 1 part. Clear? Now for next question. Next question is that next question number 7 is that Kanchan dyed dresses. Okay, this is the name of shop. Kanchan dyed dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. He had to dye 30 dresses, and she has to finish 20 dresses. He had 30 dresses to dye, and he finished 20 dresses. So question arises here, what fraction of dresses she finished? Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. Okay, so here given total number of dresses is 30. total number of dresses is 30 and 20 dresses he finished. So we need to find here what fraction of dresses has he finished. So 20 dresses he finished out of 30. This is a required fraction to finish dresses. Okay, total number of dresses is 30 and he finished 20. So this is a fractions. Also you can, if you simplify it, you can consider 0 by 0, then you obtain 2 by 3. This is a required fraction for finished dresses. Okay, required fraction for finished dresses is 2 by 3. Here given 30 dresses and he finished 20 dresses. Okay, so fraction is 2 by 3. Now next question is that write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. Write the natural number from 2 to 12 and what fraction of the prime numbers. Okay, so first write natural number from 2 to 12. Of this we recognize what is the fraction, what is the prime numbers. Okay, first we write natural number from 2 to 12. Natural number from 2 to 12. This is equal to, we can write here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so this is the natural number from 2 to 12. How many number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. Okay, total number is 11. Okay, so after this we find the fraction of prime number. What fraction of them prime numbers? Okay, so what is prime numbers? Tell me, what is prime numbers? A numbers, we have only two factors, 1 and itself the number. This is called prime numbers. So here count the prime number. This is prime number, 2 is even prime number, this is prime numbers, this is prime numbers, this is prime numbers, and this is prime numbers. 11 is prime number because 11 have only two factors, 1 and itself 11. Okay, 7 is prime number because 7 have only two factors, 1 and itself 7. Similarly 5, 3, 2 is also prime number. So we write here prime numbers are prime number is equal to here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, so we find here fraction of the prime numbers. Okay, what fraction of prime number? So we write here fraction of prime number. Fraction of prime number. This is equal to, what is the total number? Total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so total number from 2 to 12 is 11. So we write here whole number is 11. And how many numbers between them is prime numbers? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many numbers are prime numbers? 5. So you can see the fraction of prime numbers from 2 to 12 is 5 by 11 because total natural number from 2 to 12 is 11 and the number of prime number between them from 2 to 12 is only 5 numbers. These numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So our required fraction is 5 by 11. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions, and you know what is natural numbers and what is a prime number very well. So in this way you can find the fraction of prime numbers from 2 to 12 natural numbers. This is equal to 5 by 11. Clear? So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.